Well, in this video, I'm going to show you 10 essential and completely free apps that I recommend installing on almost Windows 11 PC. These apps will help you with everything from playing videos and managing files to searching your computer, taking screenshots, improving productivity, and even keeping your PC clean. So let's get started. First on the list is WinRAR. If you download files from the internet, sooner or later you are going to encounter zip, RAR, or 7zip files. WinRAR is a lightweight file archiver that lets you easily extract and compress files. Although it's a paid one, it lets you use it for free forever. Next up is VLC Media Player. Windows can play many video and audio formats by default, but VLC can handle almost anything you throw at it. MP4, MKV, AVI, MOV, FLAC, and many other formats. It also gives you useful features like subtitle support, playback speed control, and the ability to stream media. And the best part, it's completely free and open source. If you watch videos on your PC, VLC is definitely worth installing. The third app is one of my personal favorites, Everything. Windows search works, but if you have thousands of files on your computer, finding a specific file can sometimes be frustrating. Everything is an incredibly fast file search tool. Just type the name of a file and it can find it almost instantly. It's extremely lightweight and uses very few system resources. Once you start using it, you will probably wonder how you ever lived without it. Number 4 is Microsoft PowerToys. This is actually a collection of useful tools created by Microsoft for Windows Power users. You get features like fancy zones for organizing windows, power rename for renaming multiple files, color picker, text extractor, and many more. If you want to get more productivity out of Windows 11, PowerToys is definitely worth checking it. And yes, it's completely free. Next, we have ShareX. If you frequently take screenshots or record your screen, ShareX is an incredibly powerful tool. You can capture your entire screen, a specific window, or just a selected area. You can also record your screen, add annotations, and automatically save or share your screenshot. Windows already has built-in screenshot tools, but ShareX gives you a lot more control. For content creators, students, and anyone who works on a PC, this is a really useful app. Number 6 is Bitwarden. Let's talk about passwords. If you are still using the same password for multiple websites, you really should stop doing that. Bitwarden is a free password manager that helps you securely store your password and generate a strong, unique password. You can use it across your computer and other devices, making it much easier to manage your online accounts. Security is important, so having a good password manager is something I highly recommend. Next up is Notepad++. Windows already comes with Notepad, but Notepad++ takes text editing to another level. It's lightweight, extremely fast, and supports features like tabs, syntax highlighting, and advanced search and replace. It's especially useful if you are a programmer, web developer, or someone who regularly works with text files and code. But even for regular users, it's a fantastic replacement for the basic Windows Notepad. Number 8 is Revo Uninstaller. Sometimes uninstalling a program from Windows doesn't remove everything. You might still have leftover files and registry entries. Revo Uninstaller helps you remove applications more thoroughly and can help you clean up leftover after uninstalling software. If you install and test lots of programs, this can be a really useful tool to have on your PC. The 9th app is HWiNFO. If you want to know what's actually happening inside your computer, HWiNFO is a free, fantastic tool. It can show detailed information about your CPU, GPU, RAM, motherboard, storage, temperature, and much more. It's especially useful if you are troubleshooting your PC, checking temperatures, or monitoring your hardware. It's not an app you'll necessarily use every day, but when you need it, it's incredibly useful. And finally, we have WizTree. Have you ever looked at your C drive and said, wait, why is my storage full? WizTree can help you find out. It quickly scans your storage drive and shows you exactly which files and folders are taking up the most space. This makes it much easier to find large files you don't need anymore and free up available storage space. It's fast, simple, and completely free for personal use. And before you go, here are a few bonus apps you might also want to check out. Firefox if you want alternative web browser, Audacity if you want a free audio editor, OBS Studio if you want to record your screen to create professional video content, and Ear Trumpet if you want better control over the volume of individual apps. You can also use local send to transfer file between any device, Iriun Webcam to make your phone as a high-quality webcam, IMG to burn DVD and CDs. For Download Manager, I use Extreme Download Manager. This one is free and fast. So those were 10 essential free apps I recommend installing after setting up Windows 11. If this content helps you, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to the channel. You can also see that video. On that one, I told you how to use AI better. See you there.